How to make money with niche websites. What if someone told you that it could earn money by creating websites? Well, it's a completely legit way to earn money, and all it takes is a bit of smart marketing and creativity. Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Wealth. Hit the like and subscribe button with the cash bundle that you're going to earn after watching this video. And yeah, don't forget to press that bell icon because money never rings the bell, but we do. With that being said, let's get into it. Watch the entire video to find out how you can earn money from niche websites. Today we're going to learn how to make easy money with niche websites. These are surprisingly easy to make with the help of current digital tools. We all are familiar with websites like BuzzFeed, Upworthy, and Viral Nova. These websites have millions of visitors every day, and we can apply the same techniques and the same strategy to individual niches. That means we can profit in the same way that these massive, high-traffic and mainstream websites do, but we can apply it on a much smaller scale to smaller audiences that are laser-focused on one particular area. So essentially, you create niche, relevant versions of these high-traffic, high-profit websites that are worth millions, and we do that to make a much smaller amount, but it's still pure profit. When you do this properly, you should be making a minimum of around $100 a day. For example, if you make $4 CPM, cost per mile, that means you make $4 for every 1,000 page views your website generates. When you get the content right, you should be able to get quite a large number of page views every single day consistently. We all have to start with that very first piece and then we add onto it. As time goes on, the content begins to compound and our traffic increases, so eventually you should be making more than $100 a day from this, and even with some tweaking, you should start seeing CPM rates of around $6 up to $10. These websites are easy to build and easy to manage because the content has already been done for you. All we have to do is go out and compile it into a single article. Once you have a series of articles up and running, it practically runs itself. And then when you hit that milestone, you can reinvest back into your website and get other people to do it for you. You can also outsource the content curation, and then it becomes incredibly easy to scale. Therefore, while you may focus on one particular niche, it's remarkably easy to pivot. You might start with one very specific topic, but then look at complementary topics within that niche or similar niches and then spread out and expand the focus that way. So what are the steps that you need to take to build these websites? Well, first step is to get a domain name. This has to be brandable, something that clearly explains what the website is, what it's all about, and something easy to remember. Next, you're going to need to get a website. To ease things up, you might consider using self-hosted WordPress websites. It should take you no longer than 5 minutes to set up a WordPress website. They're very quick and easy to install. Next, you're going to need a professional-looking theme. When it comes to choosing that theme, make sure it's responsive, that is, mobile-friendly. This is essential for your SEO. The next step is to go to sites such as SEMrush and reverse engineer sites in your niche to find the best performing content. That's going to tell you exactly what the market wants and gives you some idea of the type of content you should be curating. Another way to find content in your niche that you can curate is to go to Reddit. Choose a subreddit of your choice. Another tool that you can use is called Social Searcher. It gives you access to real-time searches across social media platforms. It gives you data analytics and the ability to sort by date or popularity. So if you're in weight loss, we might talk about diets, and here it's going to search in real time. And this will list us a whole heap of content that we can curate into our articles, and we can change how this is sorted. We can change by date, by popularity if we want to. The next tool that I've got for you is called Feedly.com. You can enter the RSS feed of your favorite websites into this, and as soon as those websites update content on their websites, you get access to all of it in a single list. Next, you're going to need a way to split test your headlines. So you're going to need to put a lot of emphasis on the headlines because that is what's going to encourage people to click through to your articles. So we need to make sure that they are really on point. The best way of uncovering what really works is to split test your headlines. Thankfully, this is very quick and easy due to free WordPress plugins. Just head over to WordPress.com, have a look through the plugins section, search for split test titles. Here you're going to get a whole heap of free plugins that you can try out. The next tool on our list is Canva.com. We need striking images. That's what's going to get that click-through rate high, and that's what's going to encourage people to share the content. To get those images, we don't need to invest in a graphic designer or expensive photo editing software. We can just use Canva.com for free and make all the images we need. It's free to sign up, and it's going to give you ready-made templates that you can take, use, and edit however you like. What about monetization? We've got several monetization methods for you. The first one is the most obvious. It's CPM. This means running banner ads on your website. Think of AdSense. You get earnings on the number of views and also the number of clicks. Number 2, the best next is sponsorships, where people can pay you to publish articles on your website. We found that this is a very effective way of generating revenue. You should be expecting a minimum of $100 per article. Number 3, next is affiliate offers, where you only get paid when someone makes a purchase. Now you can run affiliate links in articles or as banner ads, or through your email list. If you want us to create a separate video on how to make an affiliate marketing funnel, tell us in the comments. We'd be delighted to create that tutorial for you. Next up, we've got reviews. That's another effective way to monetize your website, and this can be done in the form of sponsorships and affiliate offers. You can also make and sell your digital products. We can also do e-commerce, so we can do dropshipping or we can sell the products directly ourselves. If you want tutorials on that, let us know in the comment section. Number 6, another monetization method is to run a membership site. We found it to be really good for recurring income every month. Tell us in the comment section if you want us to go more into detail on that. Number 7, the last monetization method we've got for you is to just ask for donations. This is the least dependable and least effective, but it does work. If you combine a few of these monetization methods, you can increase your income because we shouldn't rely on only one single income stream. The next step is, how do you get traffic to your niche website? It all depends on your content and marketing strategy. As far as content is concerned, there are a lot of different types of content that you can create for your niche site. This will depend on the niche that you choose. Some examples of content that could be created are as follows: best products, product reviews, brand versus brand, buyer's guides, informative articles, tutorials, tips, roundups, video reviews. Those are just a few examples, and you can get creative with your content. In order to maximize the search engine traffic that you get from Google, you'll need other sites to link to your site. Getting links from established websites can be quite difficult. Fortunately, with niche websites, you usually don't need to get a lot of links. If you can do a relatively good job of targeting low competition keywords, you can probably rank your site with a few links. Do remember that new sites and blogs get almost no traffic from Google searches the first few months. The core aspects of building a site are keyword research, content creation, and link building. You'll need to continually work on these areas. Niche websites provide a great way to make money online. There are a lot of possibilities where you can work on something you enjoy and do in your spare time according to your schedule. You can also outsource almost all of the work, so the possibility of a passive income is there. So guys, that's it for the day. If you haven't already, like the video and turn on notifications to be notified as soon as we post. It would be greatly appreciated if you shared this video as much as possible, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video from us. If you have any thoughts or suggestions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace.